Hello, it is a Friday night currently, and I feel like we're 2 weeks in to this whole isolation malarkey, and I feel like everyone needs a pep in their step. Now, obviously I would love to send gifts to my friends and family, which I still can, but for the point of this video, I'm just gonna pick gifts for my family that live with me so that we can actually review them for you guys. I thought it would be really fun to pick some food delivery like gifts. I saw it done by Sorted Food and I thought I'd do like a bit of a twist on it, and pick some gifts that you could maybe send your friends. I'm just having a browse right now and there are so many. I'm gonna pick quite a few, and I'm gonna pick one for my brother. Jesse's not living here, so maybe I'll send one to him anyway, but for the point of this video, one for my dad, one for my sister, and one for my mum. One for me, an activity type of one, and we'll see what else. There are so many right now, and I just think it would be really nice if you know someone that's maybe working still. There are a lot of key workers, there are people still going, maybe they need a pep in my step, or maybe I just know a lot of people that are feeling down, so maybe this can put a little pep in our step. Count how many times I say pep in my step. To be honest though, what a nice saying. It's just got choked. So I'm going through and I'm trying to find cool food delivery places. This one you can pick different flavors, and I think I like the concept of doing something so that you're not just having something to eat. I think like an activity is kind of fun. A fun twist on it, and there are quite a few activities. If you're going to Not on the High Street, there's a few like food kits you can make, like baking and things like that, and I'm going to order these. Hopefully they come before post is like cut off. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I'm gonna put my orders through now. I just thought I'd let you know what I'm up to. Hello, I just had an email. Popular. Nope, it's from the bank. There was a few food delivery gifts that I couldn't actually get my hands on, mainly because they were out of stock, so I thought I'd put them on here because I think they are really, really cool. One of them is a letterbox wine gift, so you can literally, you don't even have to be home. You post the wine bottle through the door. It's like a thin one, which I think is really cool. These DIY millionaire tarts, they have so many DIY food kits on Not on the High Street. Highly, highly recommend. Another place I just really quickly wanted to mention is this sweet company. I'm not being paid to say any of this. I literally bought all of this unless I stated that I was given it, and they sent me these sweets, and honestly they're incredible, and so many of you have sent me pictures of you like trying the sweets and things like that, and you've all said how impressed you are with them, so I'll also link them down below. They are so good. Hello everybody, I've had my first 3 parcels. Now number one, this one is for mum, so I just want to check what it's like. So
it's for mum?
Yeah.
But why are you opening it?
Because I just want to see what it looks like before.
They're not great scissors, are they? Come off it.
This came in 5 days, by the way, and that was over the weekend as well. So this is, it's a little nut selection, and it says Esther's Squirrel Stash. And in here, oh, I like it. How fun. There's loads of different tins of nuts. So there's salt and pepper cashews in these.
Quiet because she's up there.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll give it to her. This in this really nice little tin, salt and pepper cashews. Here we have jalapeno and lime cashews.
That'd be nice.
And some sour cream with cashews.
Hot
in
sauce.
This real nice. Although I've just noticed it's a little bit dented right here. But I think that's a really nice gift to send someone, don't you? Mm. Yeah, they're all vegan. Baked in the front, 100% recyclable. Yeah, the salt and vinegar nuts in Tesco's are not dairy free. Got you a present.
Got me a present. Esther's Squirrel Stash. Oh my gosh.
It's your personalised.
It's your opening it.
I can't show it, she doesn't like.
That is so funny. Where did you get that from?
Not on the High Street. There's loads of different flavours.
So cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I have got.
Do you like it?
I love it. I love their marketing.
It's really nice, isn't it?
It's so good, doesn't it?
It looks lovely. And you've got a personalised little tub for things. I don't know what.
For future things.
Dad, you like it?
Thank you, baby.
No worries.
When the clean is here.
So here is the bash, just so you can see that. But it is really, really good. Biscuiteers, which has arrived in this little packaging like that, and I believe this fits in your letterbox as well, so you don't even need to be in.
I've just given you the better scissors, honey.
Yeah, but I don't want to break it. Let's see what it's like. Ooh. Oh wow, that's fancy, man. Get a little box, and then you get a little message. I read this to myself. Hello, you beauty. You are amazing. Keep your head up. Love, Grace. And it's a little open me card. And then in here, I can't actually eat this because it's got dairy in, but look how nice this is.
Careful, it's going to fall out.
And it's got all the stuff. That is a nice box. That would be quite nice to receive in the post, wouldn't it? How cute!
That is clever.
How do you feel about that?
That is extortionate.
Yeah, but it is cute, but it's really expensive. I think £6. Well, this was £6. No.
The postage.
But I think with postage it bumped. Oh, maybe it was 11. It was £9.50, £6 for the biscuit, and then the £3.50 for delivery. I actually had this in mind for one of our friends, so I dropped it off to their house the other day. And obviously, because it's letterbox, you don't even need to see them. You just post it through the door. But obviously, I wanted to show you what it was like before I gave it to them. Look at it. And it's like the size of my head. There's a lot of packaging in there. We'll test this out later. Are vegan hot chocolate bombs with marshmallows in.
Oh.
I saw the normal bombs, but they're sold out literally everywhere out later. But I just think that's quite like a nice little gift for someone, isn't it? It's quite cute. I think maybe you're actually supposed to pour the milk over the top.
You are.
Oh yeah, slowly pour. Watch as the bomb melts and the marshmallows escape.
Typical Grace. Doesn't read the instructions.
A bit underwhelming, isn't it?
It's going.
Oh my gosh!
Patience.
I don't have patience. I touch it.
Yeah, you can. You said you. Oh.
Oh wow! Right, well, I'll do it again correctly another time, but for now it's still
Pour slowly 255 millilitres of hot milk, cold and outside. That would be so appealing, but I'm not really cold.
It's good. But out of those three gifts, which is your favourite?
Well, they're different for different reasons, aren't they? 20 with
How
packaging.
much was that?
Yeah.
15.
£14.95. I think that's quite good.
Yeah.
Then when you think about the biscuiteers...
Is it personal?
Oh, it was £9.50.
You can
Personalised.
personalise them. Some
Yeah,
of them.
well you got the message as well. So that was actually £9.50, which still is really expensive.
Oh, £9.50 is different.
Yeah, it's
What, for the whole
£9.50.
thing?
Yeah.
You said
And
15.
delivery.
12.
£13.70.
Not bad.
So with prices included, what would you buy for someone?
Well, it's different because they might not like nuts.
Yeah,
they might have an allergy, in which case I won't be buying the nuts.
Okay, well, hey guys, so we've actually just received another package, which is so funny that they've all come today.
Is it mine?
Not all. No, well, you can have this. Everyone can have this. Well,
It's not mine then.
no, and I know I like this. This is mine. This is my present to myself. Yeah, this is from a company called Bad Brownie. Also, I think that's compostable. Yeah, there's these ones are vegan. They have gluten-free ones and they have vegan ones. Unpackaging. They're really good. They have this salted caramel one, a raspberry one. I don't actually know what that one is.
That's the raspberry one.
And this one right here. I'm gonna try the cookie dough one. Let's try the cookie dough. Oh, it's coming apart.
I'll take the letters first.
That's going in for a brownie. Although I won't lie, the brownies I make are pretty good, aren't they? So
Too moist and stodgy.
I like that.
See, I like a little bit of crunch or something in there, like a bit of nut. I can taste the raspberry really well, but you could only eat one. They're really rich.
I personally really like those brownies, particularly the cookie dough one. Really enjoyed that, and it was the gluten-free and vegan ones I bought. So I don't know what the other ones are like, but actually no one else in my family liked them, which I find really weird, but maybe they're just used to my super sweet brownies. Mine are like really, really sweet, whereas those are more of like a dark chocolate, rich, indulgent kind. And if you close your eyes, I'll give it to you. Okay, ready? 2 hands.
Well, I guess what it is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just open your eyes.
They're like sprinklers.
Just take a look. You have opened the actual box of the gift.
Oh, yeah.
It's a little toaster. There's the flame, and they're like homemade marshmallows.
I will read the step 1, 2, 3 and 4.
See, I would not. What's under there? I thought it came with chocolate. No. Well, do you think that's a nice gift, isn't it?
Yes.
Because it's a little something to do in isolation. It's not just eat it. Here we've got the choc orange. I turn them in. And then we've got the vanilla one. And these ones dairy free, these ones aren't. And you get the little step by step. Look at that, that's a gel. So that's gonna set a line.
Yeah, it's on your hands.
What? No. Why would you put it? I can't see it, but it is.
You can.
Oh my gosh, ow. You know what? This is such a fun thing. I think this might be my favourite of the presents so far. Because it's something to do in isolation, isn't it? Toasted.
Grace, why are you so close?
Because I like it really toasty.
It would just take you flipping time.
Look at that.
Don't put that in, it will burn your mouth.
Ow. Is she dumb? For real though, I think what we've learnt from this video is how impatient I am. The girl waits for nothing.
10 out of 10. Okay,
so I've got Chloe's present now. She kept saying how much she wanted carbonara, and obviously because I'm dairy free, we never get any like dairy filled sauces. And I saw someone on Instagram having pasta evangelist, and I've actually seen it before. And I also ordered one for my friend because I know she likes fresh pasta. And it's basically, you get these I actually thought these were letterbox size. This was £25, and in it you get 3 meals, and they're like £5 of the meal goes to Care UK. Oh, Care UK? This is what you get in your little box. I guess this is the carbonara. I actually thought this was going to be a family of 4 for each one. Wow, so I probably wouldn't have bought it had I known that it wasn't 4. I thought it would be like 12 portions, not 3. But it's fine. So it's like fresh pasta, and it's got how you make it in here. Don't they look good? This is one of them, carbonara of dreams. Are you in the mood for it tonight?
Yes. I haven't had this in years.
Like a good one as well, it's fresh.
Because of this kid.
The little stickers add up to 1 meal. So this is one we've actually got this one we've got a double portion of. Okay, so we've just about got all of our deliveries, and we actually, this one, I will put my hands up, I didn't buy this one. I was gifted it. So this is from Donut Time, and they have given me, first of all, this, which is called the Nostalgia Box. Look at all these things in here. My family are going to be buzzing.
Just to eat.
Just to eat, Dad. He's well excited. And then in here, this is really nice. I was actually going to buy this anyway for the family. This is Design Your Own Home Kit. And in it you get a little card. They have different ones. They do have a vegan one, but unfortunately I didn't get the dairy-free one. But the donuts are fine. So you get all these like Easter decoration stuff, but they do have a normal one. So you get all the icing, and you get the decorations, and then you get 4 donuts in here, which smell incredible. Donut Time do the best donuts ever. So we're going to decorate that tonight. If you want to see us decorating them, then you can go on the vlog channel. I think that's another nice food delivery gift, isn't it? Okay, so unfortunately, because we thought they were going to be 4 separate days worth of food, like HelloFresh or something like that. So unfortunately we're going to eat them all tonight. So this was the one that I'm actually having, and it's actually a veggie one. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, the pastas are on the hob, doing their things. Carbonara check, beef ragu check, which looks not that saucy, and then this one needs 2 more minutes. So this is what they're looking like. We're gonna have a little bit of each, and we've got some garlic bread as well. Don't forget the cheese coat. We've got a little like mashup of all of them. I'm intrigued.
Is that mozzarella?
Oh, there's one for each different thing. Yeah. Okay, these are the 3 different ones. We've got the veggie one, the beef ragu, and the cheesy one. I've never ever been impressed by just like plain tomato pasta, but that, oh wow. I thought, how could a tomato pasta be that good?
The carbonara is good. Go for it.
View time, I really enjoyed that.
7 out of 10 for me.
But I would like you to try and make real pasta.
I will.
Yourself.
What? Chloe liked it. Do we think the £25?
I think it was a little pricey. I think that's quite expensive.
But it did have a £5 Age UK concern the money goes to.
What, so is it normally 20?
I reckon it would normally be 20.
I didn't need more sauce.
But it only had 1 portion of sauce. But it had 2 portions of pasta.
Maybe that's wrong.
My favourite one was the aubergine.
Portion size is quite good if you were having it just by yourself.
Yeah.
Obviously, we shared it all out.
I hope you enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun buying all those different things and getting to try them. I hope there was something there that maybe you could treat someone to. I'm not really sure. All in all, I'd probably say that the marshmallow toasting kit was the family's favourite. That and Mum really, really liked her nuts and they tasted really good, which is always a positive. So let me know if you want to see any different types of videos like this. Again, I really had a lot of fun filming it and I think the family did too. Love you all loads. Peace out.